Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the exercise 2B rational number, in which we are discussing about the topic compare the rational numbers. Now we come to question number 3. In question number 3, it is given arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. As you already know, what is ascending order? Ascending order means smaller to larger. In ascending order, we will take smaller to larger. So while doing these rational numbers, if I am taking the second part, minus 2 upon 5, 7 upon minus 10, minus 8 upon 15 and 17 upon minus 30. First, we have to make the denominator positive by taking the negative sign to the numerator, जैसे आपने फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्वेश्चंस में किया था. So minus 2 upon 5, this is a positive denominator. Up 7 upon minus 10, 10 is a negative denominator, make it minus 7 upon 10. Here minus 8 upon 15 and here minus 30 upon 70. Sorry, minus 17 upon 30. Now what we have to do after this, we have to take the LCM of denominators. जो आपके denominators हैं उनका आपने क्या लेना है? LCM. Which are the denominators? 5, 10, 15 and 30. इसका आपने LCM लेना है. You know how to take the LCM? 5, 10, 15 और 30 का आपने LCM लेना है. 5, 2, 3, 6, again with 2. This will come and 3. So what will be the LCM? 5 to the 10, 10 to the 30. 30 will be your LCM. Now you have to make all these rational numbers as the same denominator. तो आपने 30 denominator ले लिया. Like we have done in first and second question. First divide this denominator with this 30. 30 को 5 से divide करो, you will get 6. Multiply 6 with 2, you will get minus 12. Then 30 divided by 10, it will be 3. 3 multiplied by minus 7, it will be minus 21. 30 divided by 15, 2 and multiplied by minus 8, minus 16. And 30 divided by 1, 1 and you will get minus 17. Now you will separate these rational numbers. How? Now we have to make these rational numbers separate with the like denominators. Minus 12 upon 30, minus 21 upon 30, minus 16 upon 30, minus 17 upon 30. जब आपने rational numbers के denominators को same कर दिया, now you have to arrange it in ascending order. How you will arrange? You have seen all these negative numerator are negatives. सारे negative हैं और negative में the larger number is the smallest number. So which will be the first rational number in ascending order? Minus 21 upon 30. Then come minus 17 upon 30. Then minus 16 upon 30 and then minus 12 upon 30. तो आपने जब ascending order में arrange किया, which sign you will give it? This sign. You will not put the comma, you have to give the sign. Ascending order में ये आपने sign देना है. It means smaller to larger. Now these are the rational numbers, but we have to convert into original numbers. तो original numbers आप कैसे लिखोगे? Minus 21 upon 30 second number था rational number. Give it 7 upon minus 10. Then minus 17 upon 30, you will write it 17 upon minus 30. जैसे आपका original number है वैसे ही आपने लेने. Then again this same sign, minus 16 upon 30 was the third rational number, minus 8 upon 15 is it original. And last come minus 12 upon 30, which was minus 2 upon 5. So like this you will arrange it into ascending order. ऐसे आपने ascending order में change करना है. If I am taking one more example, fourth part, minus 4 upon 7, 13 upon minus 28, 9 upon 14 and 23 upon 42. फर्स्ट यू विल मेक द डिनोमिनेटर पॉजिटिव, जो नेगेटिव है उनको आप न्यूमरेटर नेगेटिव कर दोगे. माइनस 4 अपॉन 7, माइनस 28 अपॉन 13, सॉरी माइनस 13 अपॉन 28, 9 upon 14 and 23 upon 42. Again you will take the LCM. LCM of denominators, it means 7, 28, 14 और 42 का आपने LCM फाइंड करना है. 7, 28, 14 एंड 42. अगर आप पहले 7 से ले लो, 7 1s are, 7 4s are, 7 2s are, 7 6s are. With 2 if you will take 1, 2, 1, 3. Again 2. And what is left? 3. So now what will be the LCM? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 7s are 84. 84 will be your LCM. Now make all these rational number with the same denominator. 84 आपने यहाँ पे लिख लिया. Divide 84 by 7. 84 को 7 से डिवाइड करोगे, you will get 12. And 12 multiplied by minus 4, it will be minus 48. Then 84 divided by 28, you will get 3. And 13 minus 13 into 3, minus 39. ये आप करके देखना, डिवाइड करके देखना, you will get easily. Now 84 को आपने 14 से डिवाइड किया, you will get 6. 14 6 are 84. So 6 into 9, 54. 42, 84 divided by 42, 2. And 2 multiplied by 23, 46. Like this you will make it same denominator. Now separate this. Minus 48 upon 84, minus 39 upon 84, 54 upon 84, 46 upon 84. Now we have to arrange it into ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to larger. तो स्मॉलर्स में पहले आपने नेगेटिव में स्मॉलर्स देखना है. ये दोनों नेगेटिव पार्ट्स हैं. इन दोनों में से स्मॉलेस्ट नेगेटिव नंबर कौन सा होगा? माइनस 48 अपॉन 84. You will write it. Then again the sign of ascending order. Then come minus 39 upon 84. Now left positive ones. अब ये पॉजिटिव में सबसे छोटा नंबर you already know it is 46. तो 46 upon 84 and last will be 54 upon 84. Now you will give the original rational number for these numbers. Original rational numbers कौन से थे? Minus 48 upon 84 was the first rational number. That was minus 4 upon 7. Minus 39 upon 84 was second. That was 13 upon minus 28. Third was 46 upon 84. जो आपका फोर्थ पार्ट था वो क्या था आपका? 23 upon 42. And last was 9 upon 40. And this is your answer. जब आपने ascending order कर लिया सेम डिनोमिनेटर्स बनाकर, you have to convert it into the ओरिजिनल रैशनल नंबर्स जो आपके जिसको आपको पूछा गया क्वेश्चंस में, उसी में आपने लास्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. इन दिस वी हैव टू चेंज इट इनटू डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सेम प्रोसीजर, सेम मेथड you have to apply, but you have to arrange it in descending order, which is larger to smaller. Now if I am taking the second part it is given minus 11 upon 20, 3 upon minus 10, 17 upon minus 30, minus 7 upon 15. First you will make these denominator as positive by making the numerator negative. Minus 11 upon 20, minus 3 upon 10, minus 17 upon 30 and minus 7 upon 15. Now again you will take the LCM, same method you have to apply. LCM of 20, 10, 30 and 15. 20, 10, 30 and 15. What will be the LCM? 5 4s are 5 2, 5 6 and 5 3. 2, 2 2s are 1, 3, 3. Again 2. And last comes 3. Now, what will be the LCM? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 and 23s are 60. 60 is the LCM. Now make this denominator same. आप कैसे करोगे? 60 divided by 20, 3 you will get. 3 multiplied by minus 11, minus 33. 60 divided by 10, you will get 6. 6 multiplied by 3, minus 18. 60 divided by 30, you will get 2. 2 into minus 17, minus 34. 32s are. And 60 divided by 15, 4. And 4 multiplied by minus 7, minus 28. Like this you have converted. Now separate these rational number. Minus 33 upon 60, minus 18 upon 60, minus 34 upon 60 and minus 28 upon 60. Now you have to arrange it into descending order. आपने इसको descending order में change करना है. So descending order means larger to smaller and all these numbers are negative. Negative में जो सबसे छोटा number होगा, the smallest number, the number which is the smallest will be the largest in the negative form. तो आपका largest number कौन सा हुआ? minus 18 upon 60. Then comes minus 28 upon 60. Then minus 33 upon 60. And then comes minus 34 upon 60. अब आपने डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कौन सा साइन लगाना है? नाउ इट कम्स अपोजिट. दिस साइन वी विल पुट इट इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. नाउ मेक इट इनटू ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. minus 18 upon 60 was the second term. Second term आपकी ओरिजिनल क्या थी? 3 upon minus 10. Again the same sign. Minus 28 upon 60 was your fourth term and that original term number was minus 7 upon 15. Minus 33 upon 60 was your first term, so minus 11 upon 20. And minus 34 upon 60 was your third rational number, that is 17 upon minus 30. So you have to arrange it into original rational form in the last. For your convenience, I am taking one more part, third part I am taking now. It is given 9 upon minus 24, minus 1, 2 upon minus 3, minus 7 upon minus 6. Now in this case what you will do? पहले आपने इसको पॉजिटिव करना है डिनोमिनेटर को. यू राइट माइनस 9 upon 24. Now minus 1 in rational term you will can write it like this also. Minus 3 upon 2. But minus 7 and minus 6 both are negative. Minus 7 and minus 6. So you will cut it and you will get 7 upon 6. Minus minus positive हो जाएगा. Sorry, here it comes 2 upon 3. Okay. Now you have to take LCM of 24, 1, 3 and 6. तो आपने LCM लिया 24, 3 and 6. अगर आप 3 से करें 3 8s are 1 and 2. Then come 2, 4, 1, 1, 2 and 2. The LCM will be 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. आपने अब किससे डिवाइड करना है? 24. 24 divided by 24, 1 and you will get minus 9 here. 1 divided by 24, you will get 24. So multiply by minus 1, it will be minus 24. 24 divided by 3, 8. Minus 2 into 8, minus 16. 24 divided by 6, 4. So 7 4s are 28. Now separate these terms. minus 9 upon 24, minus 24 upon 24, minus 16 upon 24 and 28 upon 24. Okay, now you will arrange it into descending order. So for descending order, which will be the largest one? Because only one number is positive, that is 28 upon 24. So this will be your largest. Then अब आपके ये तीनों नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर्स हैं, तो तीनों नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर्स में से सबसे बड़ा कौन सा होगा? द वन विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट, minus 9 upon 24. Then comes minus 16 upon 24. And in the last comes minus 24 upon 24. Now take the original rational numbers. 28 upon 24 was your last one. Which was the original rational number? Minus 7 upon minus 6. Minus 9 upon 24 was your first rational number, that is 9 upon minus 24. Minus 16 upon 24, it was your third rational number, that is 2 upon minus 3. And in the last, minus 24 upon 24, which is the largest? Minus 1. So this is your answer arranged into descending order. Now like this, you have to complete question number 3 and 4, ascending and descending order, and practice it accurately. Thank you.